Hello everyone, LEI India Private Limited. We are proud manufacturers of M8 M12 and M16 M23 sensor cables, industrial Ethernet products, field wireable connectors, and panel mount connectors. M12 sensor cables shielded and unshielded. M8 sensor cables and field wireable connectors. Industrial Ethernet product like Xcode Decode and RJ45. Field wireable connectors, M8 male-female shielded and unshielded. M12 male-female shielded and unshielded. Y distributors with the cables and without cables. We're a part of this year's Automation Expo, and we're excited to showcase how LEI Indias can add value to your automation journey. Join us from 11th to the 14th of August. Bombay Exhibition Center, Goregaon, Mumbai. Hall number 6, stall number J4J5. Please visit us to meet for solution for your automation journey. Thank you.